Peña means rock, Blanca means white, so Peña Blanca is the white rock. And white is called white rock, ma'am, because in Peña Blanca, we have almost 77 square kilometers of limestone that can dissolve in water, ma'am. That is the reason we have almost 306 cave systems.
How many?
306 cave systems that are discovered in Peña Blanca, ma'am. But in that 306 cave system, 128 only are documented and 44 are archaeological caves, ma'am.
Galing mo na.
But, yung they found some human walls of boy and girl and some artifacts that the first Filipino used long time ago like that. Afterwards, ma'am, I will explain to you. 184th step, then the way going to the fourth chamber is another 32 steps like that.
Therefore, 180 plus 34?
Yes, ma'am.
Wow, that's 200 plus.
200 plus.
What?
Yun na, ma'am. The Peña Blanca